question that I'm asked all the time is, how do you put your products on? Or I'm asked, show me how you put your products on. So what I thought I would do is a video that answers both of those questions. So in starting this process, I've already done a video on how to wash your face, so you can check that out. And now I'll show you how I put all of the products on after I wash my face. So first thing I'm going to do is spray 3 to 4 pumps of magic water in my hand, and then I'm going to massage it in all over. You want your skin to be wet, you don't want it to be dripping wet, but you also don't want it to be dry because this is the base for all the other products. Next we're going to put 2 pumps of the Intense Hydration, 2 pumps of the A serum, and 2 pumps of vitamin C. You can mix them all together in your hand and then massage them all in. You want to gently massage, you can massage all over. If the A is too strong for you, you can use that once a day at night, but the Intense Hydration and the C, you can use that twice a day with no problems at all. So you gently massage that in. The next thing you're going to do is take some of your eye serum and pump that out on your hand. And then you're going to do underneath your eyes. And then I do up on my forehead because it's such a rich product and I have the lines on my forehead, it helps that. I'm also going to do around my mouth and on my lips as well. We're going to take some hydration gel and we're going to mix that with our moisturizer and we're going to massage that in. The moisturizer should be about 2 to 3 pumps and we're just gently massaging that in. We're also going to do our face and our neck, as you see, throughout the entire process. Another thing to think about is if you want to grow your lashes and brows, you can use some of our serum at this point in your process as well, and also SPF. I'm not going to do that in this video as I'm not going out today. But that's it, pretty simple on how to put on your product, and you can start your day.